Namaste. It's a pleasure to wish all of you on World Quality Day. Quality is such an important aspect of how we serve our customer and actually a key pillar in the very reason for our existence. The quality journey at Apollo has been a long and constantly evolving journey. From the time when quality meant having the best people and the best equipment, to the point now where the equipment, the people, the building, the training, the services, the IT all come together to deliver good outcomes medically, to deliver a good customer experience, and finally to be a continuous ongoing journey. That's what quality at Apollo is about.
Quality is the fundamental mantra for all of us at Apollo. We strive to deliver the best outcomes, ensuring quality at every stage of care.
For us, patient safety and quality improvement are center stage. To ensure that every patient gets the right treatment delivered by the right clinician with the right credentials at the right time to achieve the right outcome is what drives us 24/7.
It's not only about Juran stylism of quality control, improvement and planning, or Crosby's idea of zero defect, or even Deming's concept of PDCA. At Apollo, quality is much more than that, and we are continuously pushing ourselves to reach the next level 365 24/7.
Management of OPD well means that we slot the patients at specific time for their appointment with the doctors. This ensures that the waiting time for the patients to meet the doctors is very minimal.
For me, the most important thing is to break the chain of infection by washing hands before and after every procedure, touching a patient and coming in contact with the patient. That is to me is quality.
Kids are relieved of fear and make the experience more bearable. We follow the one needle and one trick motto and the proper disposal of waste to avoid infection.
Informing life-threatening test results within 30 minutes to perform life-saving interventions.
For me, quality means providing the right information to the patient without making admission process seem troublesome.
Every patient is important to us. Each patient is to be treated on top priority. For us, quality means attending to patients whenever and wherever required within 2 minutes.
Zero error surgery is performed following all protocols.
Our cardiac catheterization laboratory procedures and the complication rates post-procedure are comparable to any other top-class institute in the world, and we are proud to say that our complication rates post-angioplasty are less than 1%, and to be precise, it is 0.56%.
Average length of stay for total hip replacement in our hospital is 3.8 days compared to the international benchmark of 4.2 days of AHRQ.
All safety protocols are followed and assure there are zero hospital acquired infection.
Quality control means no seroconversion in my dialysis unit.
The ventilator-associated pneumonia or VAP rate in Apollo hospitals is 0.76 per 1000 ventilator days. This is in comparison with the international benchmark of 0.9 per 1000 ventilator days as per the Healthcare Safety Network.
A clean and sparkling floor, equipment and neatly organized patient rooms. Ensuring proper cleaning process is followed with the required frequency during the day.
Our patients are our guests. Quality to me is serving them the prescribed food at the right time, at the right temperature, which helps them recover faster.
Ensuring a healthy and appropriate diet helps our patients recover really well and fast, and helps us in reducing their length of stay in the hospital.
Ensuring patient feels safe and secure in the hospital premises. Being ready to manage any emergency and following protocols as and when required.
Ensuring less waiting time and delivery, stocking all required medicine so patients don't have to go anywhere for their medicine needs.
For me, quality is providing germ-free cleanliness to our patients.
For me, quality means timely assessment of all equipments to follow safety and maintenance standards to reduce breakdowns.
reducing bleeding time and maintain zero bleeding error to facilitate easy registration and bedside checkout for admitted patients.
In the Apollo Healthcare ecosystem, patient safety is woven into the very fabric and ethos of the nursing department.
So I think this strong dedication and passion towards ensuring quality is what really ensures that every patient who walks into an Apollo infrastructure or an Apollo institution will be greeted with a smile and treated with the best care that anybody can give anywhere in the world. This is our commitment, this is our passion, and this is our ongoing journey, and we reiterate this commitment on World Quality Day. All the very best to all of you. Namaste. Happy Quality Day.